Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to ElsieDIY. Today's video is a quick craft. We will be making a doll size EOS lip balm and I am so excited to make it. I have seen a couple of tutorials over YouTube of how to make a doll sized miniature one of these, but I'm going to try it today and see how it goes. So it did take me a while to find them, but I finally found some self-adhesive pearls, and these will be absolutely perfect because they are round like the lip balm, so I think it will work really well. This one is actually a knockoff version GEO, but you know, it'll work just as well. So I'm going to take one of the self-adhesive pearls off of the card and I'm going to place it on a piece of paper so it'll be easier to paint. And I'm just using some pink acrylic paint. It is multi-surface, but it doesn't really matter. I find that this brand works best for me, and I'm just going to do it pink like my real one. So I've added a nice coat on it. Now it just has to dry. And now I'm just going to make another one just like this one for the lid. So I'm going to paint that. So it turns out these are taking forever to dry. So I'm going to go take a lap on the treadmill and I'll be right back. Okay, so they should be dry now, and I'm going to take some of this white acrylic paint and paint the logo EOS on it. I'm not going to put GEO, even though that's what mine says. I'm going to do the real brand for my miniature one, but before we do that, I have got to paint the top of the pearl because I don't want it to show any of the original color, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now I'm going to take off one of these smaller pearls, not the large one, but the medium size. I'm just going to take that off, and I'm going to just stick it right on top of the larger pink pearl. You could use hot glue if you wanted to, but these are already self-adhesive, so I'm just going to leave it as is because it seems to stick pretty well. Okay, so I painted on the letters, and I will admit it's not the best job in the world, but I think it looks okay, so I'm just going to keep it as is. I think it's fine. And I just want to mention, I didn't film it, but I would file the bottom down so it can sit flat on a table, otherwise it's going to roll. And we are finished. This is a quick, easy craft that anybody would enjoy doing. It's very inexpensive and it's just really fun to make. And it is so teeny tiny and it is perfect for the dolls as well. It fits perfectly in the palm of their hand. So overall, I think this is really cool and you've got to try it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me what you think of this craft. And if you try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at ElsieDIY. I hope you enjoyed this. And guys, we are almost at 300 subscribers, so that is so awesome. Thank you so much. Jesus loves all of you so much. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!